In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to react to messages on Discord. Reactions are one of the quickest, cleanest ways to acknowledge a message without sending a full reply. They keep conversations tidy, add a little personality, and make it easy to show agreement, appreciation, or just have some fun. Here's how it works on the desktop app or in your browser. First, move your mouse over the message you want to react to. As you hover directly on the message, a small toolbar fades in near the top right corner of that message. It may be subtle, so make sure your cursor is over the message itself and not the empty space around it. If you don't see it right away, pause for a moment and keep your cursor in place. Those icons are designed to stay out of the way until you need them. Once the toolbar appears, you'll notice a few suggested reaction emojis pop up. These are quick options that often reflect popular or recently used reactions. To add one of these to the message, simply click the emoji you want. Your reaction will appear instantly beneath the message, and if others use the same emoji, you'll see a small counter next to it increase as more people react. If the suggested emojis don't include what you're looking for, click the gray emoji icon in that same toolbar. This opens the full emoji picker, where you can browse all available options. You'll see standard emojis you know and love, along with any server-specific custom emojis you have access to. This is especially handy when you want something that fits the vibe of the server or the topic of the conversation. Scroll through the categories or look for familiar faces, then select the emoji you want. As soon as you click it, your chosen reaction is added beneath the message. That's all there is to it. Hover over the message, choose one of the quick suggestions, or open the full picker with the gray emoji icon to find the perfect reaction. A couple of quick tips to make your reactions feel great. Aim for emojis that match the tone of the conversation, keep it friendly, and use reactions to reduce clutter when you don't need to send a full reply. If a discussion is moving fast, a simple reaction can acknowledge you've seen the message without interrupting the flow. With these simple steps, you can engage faster, communicate more clearly, and keep your Discord chats lively and organized. Give it a try in your next conversation and see how much smoother your threads feel.